Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I want to show you guys how you can do your eyebrows in a quick and easy way. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys will love it. I want to show you guys, before the video starts, some tips as well. Eyebrows are sometimes tough to grow, and what I like to do is I like to use my eyebrow and eyelash oil. Now I did buy this in Turkey. I do want to say what's in it, and I know that castor oil is really good for your eyebrows and eyelashes for them to grow out. So I will give you what is in this eyebrow oil and eyelash oil. I usually apply them every night and every morning on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows, so I hope that you guys will do that as well. It really grows your eyebrows out. That's really good. This brand has Rekiness oil, hazelnut oil, grapeseed oil, wheat oil, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E. It doesn't have castor oil, which is weird because I know that castor oil is really good. I used to use that. I will put everything in the section down below though, so you can find it there, what I do use, and I will give some other alternatives to this one because I'm pretty sure you cannot get this around here. But I hope that you guys will love it because I will insert everything in the sections down below. There you can find it. And I hope that you guys will love this tutorial. And if you want me to do other tutorials on how I do my mascara and how I do my concealer, for me to give you guys the tricks and the tips, I can always help you guys out. If you want me to make a video like that, then write it down in the comment sections down below. And other than that, I always say other than that, I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Bye. So I am going to grab my Vaseline and my brow brush, and I am going to grab a little bit. Just going to go through my eyebrows with this. I am going upwards, as you can see. It helps with shaping the eyebrow. And then I kind of like shape it in form like that. Give it like a shape. And I would do it to the other eyebrow as well. Okay, so right now I will get my pomade by L'Oreal Paris in the shade 103. We all know this one. I am going to get my eyebrow pomade. You can use whatever brand that you like, but I like to use a pomade because it makes it easier for me. So I am going to make a line underneath my eyebrows. And after that I am going to do the upside, I mean this side of my brow, the arch of my brow. And if you do make mistakes like I did, don't worry because we will fix that with some concealer at the end. I do want to say like I'm a bit detailing this. But I do want to say, if you do like your eyebrows natural, then go ahead and do that on a like full natural. I mean, you don't have to do all of this. Do whatever that makes you feel comfortable in your own body. So if you do want to do this, then go ahead and do this, and if you don't want to do this, then don't do it. So that's what I want to say to you guys as well. And other than that, I do like my eyebrows natural as well. If I'm in a worry or I don't have like a lot of time, what I usually like to do is I get my Vaseline and a brow brush, and what I like to do is just come through them, and then that will be it. I will just go out like that, so that's not a problem. Anyways, so that's how I usually fix my problems. But okay, I do see that I have made some mistakes here, around here and here as well. So what I like to do is I like to get my concealer, and what I like to do is grab some and just go underneath my eyebrows, on my brow bone actually, like that. And then on the upside as well. Now let's get our NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. And then let's just go through our eyebrow. This will make sure that your eyebrows will stay in place the whole day. Okay, that's it. Last but not least, the most important part in my eyes. I mean, you could leave it like this, but what I like to do is I like to get my highlighter. That's important. So you guys, this is how I do my eyebrows. I hope that you guys liked it. Okay guys, so this was it. This was my video. This is how I do my eyebrows on an easy way. I usually do this every day. I mean, maybe minus the concealer and then all of the details, but I do like to use my pomades. But other than that, this was my tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys loved the way it turned out just as much as I do. And I will see you in the next video. Love you all.